When looking at an object, in the human visual system, a huge number of visual neurons are activated, and the signal received by the photoreceptors in the retina is conveyed to the visual area. In a way, humans are repeating vast and complicated image processing in a matter of an instant as they convey the visual information they perceive. A phenomenon known as visual illusion occurs in the course of it. For example, an image that appears obscured in a still picture becomes clearly visible when it begins to move. This is a phenomenon brought about by visual illusion. The world as perceived by human eyes and the real world differ more than one can imagine. At NTT, research has been underway for the clarification of this mechanism of information processing and for the construction of its model. Now, let's see how colors and motions are correlated. Conventionally, it has been believed that luminance motion, visual information relating only to motion element, and visual information on colors are processed in different paths. In other words, it was thought that colors do not affect the recognition of motion. In fact, at least in up to what is called the lateral geniculate nucleus, which relays visual information, motion and colors are separated into magnocellular neurons for luminance motion, parvocellular neurons for the red-green system, and coniocellular neurons for the blue-yellow system. However, in our experiment, in which we observed an object by actually separating it into motion and color elements, and then recombining those elements, we confirmed that color alteration in the coniocellular system does not affect the recognition of luminance motion, but color alteration in the parvocellular system does. In short, contrary to the conventional hypothesis, we can presume that, in stages before entering the visual area, the magnocellular and parvocellular systems are interacting with each other. The direction of motion is detected in the visual area. In the detection of the direction of motion, the time lag between the magnocellular system, which has a high processing speed, and the parvocellular system, which is slow, plays an important role. We believe that this mechanism can be adopted for certain models of motion detectors, as well as for other applications. We at NTT are committed to clarifying the visual and other human mechanisms of information processing, through which we hope to contribute to the evolution of information and communication environments.